name is Amruta Radke. I am an app developer. In the code work, we call it as TCW. So, welcome to TCW. This is our introductory video to a new series on the TCW channel. We call it as Code of Duty. Here you will find every tech related topic to build an MVP, minimal viable product. So, today we have chosen hybrid versus native as our first topic of discussion. So, let's get started with today's video. So, have you ever been confused about which programming language, framework, technology to choose while starting with a new project? Yes, I think it's a very common problem and it's high time that we should address it. Here we are, let's do it together. What we will talk in this video is the basic characteristics of native app and hybrid app, advantages and disadvantages, as well as the time and budget involved. So, let's start with the native app. What is native app? Native apps are apps which develop in a platform-specific language, which make them more compatible with corresponding platform. For example, Android apps are developed primarily in Java, Kotlin, whereas iOS apps are developed in Apple's web programming language. Native app will not run on any other platform. So now, characteristics of native app. Native apps are highly reliable, simple, have faster performance, and offer a better user experience. Support all of the functionality that the underlying platform provides in the best possible ways. Features of native app can be utilized in the best way. So, all in all, native apps are providing best user experience. Pros of native app. It offers a wide range of functionalities since it is the best suited to use the potential of underlying platform because it is designed for that particular platform. It is quick and responsive software performance. Native app offers a user interface that better matches the user experience of that underlying operating system. Cons of native app. Native app involves multiple code bases since each device will be having its version of app. For example, you have to build two different apps to serve Android and iOS. You need different developers to build this app for you. That is why it involves higher cost and more development skill required to build and handle a code base for each platform. A lot of time is spent on multiple fabrications in every feature update because it is tightly coupled with underlying hardware and operating system. Now we will move to the what is hybrid app. Hybrid app on the other hand are developed using a web technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript in combination with native elements and API interface. They are essentially platform independent web apps displayed using a native web view, which is a native component provided by operating system like Android and iOS to load web content. A hybrid app is designed to work on multiple platforms. It is written using a single standard code languages and then compiled to execute on operating on each platform. Device specific interaction will normally be managed by the framework like Codeva, React Native, or Ionic. Characteristics of hybrid app. Hybrid application can function irrespective of the fact that the device has an internet connection or not. This is a common misconception that hybrid app can only work in the internet connectivity. Hybrid app can integrate with the device, file system and user features like camera, Bluetooth, etc., just like a native application. Hybrid app involves integration with web-based services. Another essential feature of hybrid app includes an embedded browser to enhance access to online content. Hybrid app can be developed at a faster pace and involve lesser development and maintenance cost. Thus, it saves time and money. Hybrid apps are compressible and can be managed effortlessly. Pros of hybrid app: they can work across various platforms. They can operate on both Android and iOS since they have a single code base. Also, the consistent user interface enables it to function on most of the device. The development and maintenance of hybrid application is faster since developers have to create only one code base. The single code base in the hybrid app make them cost effective since it requires lesser time to develop and does not require more developers as in the case of native app. Now, cons of hybrid app. Since hybrid apps have a foundation similar to that of web apps, they need an uninterrupted network connection to work to their full potential. Owing to their architecture, hybrid mobile apps rely on plugins to access the inbuilt feature of the mobile device. Hybrid applications do not offer a user experience as great as a native app since the interface of both Android and iOS are compromised. In case too much focus is given on Android, the user experience will be compromised and vice versa. So now, which one is the better? There are clear and distinct advantages and disadvantages of both hybrid and native app approaches, and that is why this discussion is still relevant. Speed to market, one resource code, cross compatible web technologies, easy update, availability of resources, and lower budget cost make hybrid application very appealing. However, in the long run, the biggest distraction of hybrid app is that company will likely spend more time fixing and tweaking the app because of the user complaints about UI elements or performance driven issue. So this is pretty much about it. Hope we could provide some value through this video. If you liked it, don't forget to press like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your colleagues and friends. Stay tuned for more updates on this series. You can also check out our MBB series above the channel. Links are provided below. See you soon. Thank you for watching.